10th of July was a very special day for our family. Ritu, Lil Vrindu, Dadi, Rinku, and I headed to BU Bhandari Volkswagen Wakad to bring our new Volkswagen Taigun. After completing the documentation, we finally took delivery of the car. We performed a small puja for blessings, and the showroom team patiently explained all the features. Everyone was incredibly friendly, professional, and made the entire experience memorable. Meanwhile, Vrindu had a great time playing around the showroom, making the day even more joyful. And then came the best part, our first drive home in our new Taigun. It wasn't just about bringing home a new car, it was about welcoming a new member to our family and the beginning of many more unforgettable journeys. Cheers to endless adventures, safe travels, and a lifetime of beautiful memories together.